Luxury SUVs aren't just vehicles, they're statements of power, comfort, and prestige. From handcrafted cabins to outrageous performance, today's lineup redefines excess. You're watching CarPoint Hub. Subscribe now if elite cars are your obsession. Lexus LX 600. The Lexus LX 600 stands as a flagship luxury SUV, blending authority with refined comfort. Its bold spindle grille, elegant LED lighting, and chrome accents create instant presence. Step inside and you're surrounded by quilted leather, premium trim, and a 12.3-inch digital display paired with a digital instrument cluster. Rear passengers enjoy heated, ventilated, and massaged seats, plus a rear entertainment setup and Mark Levinson audio. Power comes from a twin-turbocharged 3.4-liter V6, producing 409 horsepower, delivering a drive that feels effortlessly smooth. Starting at $118,000. BMW XM. BMW's XM fuses luxury with aggressive performance in unmistakable style. The illuminated kidney grille, laser headlights, and sculpted body lines signal serious intent. Inside, vintage merino leather, carbon fiber trim, and a curved digital display dominate the cabin. Rear passengers get full-size space, a sculpted illuminated headliner, and a premium Harman Kardon audio system. Under the hood, a 4.4-liter V8 with M twin power technology unleashes 653 horsepower, starting at $160,000. Ferrari Purosangue. Ferrari's Purosangue rewrites the rulebook for luxury performance vehicles. Sleek aerodynamic lines, a bold front design, and dramatic suicide doors make it instantly recognizable. Inside, premium materials like recycled polyester and Alcantara meet 4 bucket seats and a dual touchscreen infotainment layout. A Burmester high-end audio system completes the experience. Its naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 delivers 715 brake horsepower and 528 pound-feet of torque, launching from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 3.3 seconds, starting at $400,000. Aston Martin DBX. The DBX marks Aston Martin's bold entry into the SUV world with unmistakable British flair. A sleek silhouette, signature front grille, and rear design inspired by the Vantage set it apart. Inside, hand-stitched leather, genuine wood, and satin chrome accents define luxury. It seats 5 with heated and ventilated seats, a 10.25-inch touchscreen, and a premium Aston Martin audio system. Power comes from a twin-turbo 4.0-liter V8, producing 697 horsepower, reaching 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 4.5 seconds, starting at $190,000. Cadillac Escalade. The Escalade remains an icon in the full-size luxury SUV segment. Its bold grille, sharp body lines, and 22-inch alloy wheels demand attention. Inside, you'll find hand-finished leather, premium materials, and a massive 38-inch curved OLED display. Advanced features include Super Cruise hands-free driving, a 36-speaker AKG studio reference audio system, and heated, ventilated massage seats. With seating for up to 7 and a powerful V8 producing 682 horsepower and 653 pound-feet of torque, every drive feels first class, starting at $200,000. Lamborghini Urus. The Urus merges supercar DNA with SUV versatility. Its aggressive front design, Y-shaped LED headlights, and sharp aerodynamics radiate dominance. Inside, supple leather, precise stitching, and a fully digital cockpit balance sportiness with elegance. Rear passengers enjoy generous legroom, climate control, and a premium Bang & Olufsen audio system. A 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 delivers up to 667 horsepower for an adrenaline-charged drive, starting at $96,000. Bentley Bentayga. The Bentayga defines refined power in the luxury SUV world. Its iconic grille, sleek LED headlights, and sculpted body lines project elegance and strength. Inside, handcrafted leather, detailed stitching, and polished wood veneers create a truly opulent environment. Rear passengers enjoy adjustable seats with heating, cooling, and massage functions. Engine options include a 6.0-liter V12 or V8 producing 542 horsepower for smooth yet commanding performance. Starting at $230,000. Rolls-Royce Cullinan. The Cullinan blends Rolls-Royce craftsmanship with true SUV capability. Its design follows the brand's modern luxury language with flawless materials and handcrafted details. Highlights include suicide doors, a starlight headliner, custom dashboard inlays, and retractable picnic seats. Underneath the elegance lies a 7.75-liter twin-turbo V12 generating 673 horsepower, paired with all-wheel drive for any terrain. This is luxury without limits. Starting at $200,000. Mercedes-Maybach GLS 600. The Maybach GLS elevates the Mercedes GLS into ultra-luxury territory. Chrome detailing, massive 23-inch wheels, and a commanding stance set the tone. Inside, premium leather, wood trim, ambient lighting, and a panoramic sunroof redefine comfort. Rear passengers enjoy dual 12.3-inch displays, power-adjustable reclining seats, and a built-in refrigerator. A 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 delivers 550 horsepower with a top speed of 155 miles per hour. Priced around $350,000. Range Rover SV. The Range Rover SV represents the pinnacle of customization and exclusivity. Its distinctive grille, bespoke two-tone paint options, and commanding design stand apart instantly. Inside, luxury reaches new heights with premium leather, a refrigerated compartment, rear entertainment, and a billet aluminum-powered club table. Power comes from a 5.0-liter supercharged V8 producing 557 horsepower and 516 pound-feet of torque, hitting 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 5.4 seconds. Starting at around $200,000. Which of these luxury SUVs truly rules the road? Raw power or pure comfort? From V12 engines to massage seats and handcrafted interiors, this list proves excess has many faces. That's the world of elite SUVs on CarPoint Hub. Like, comment your favorite, and subscribe because the next masterpiece is already on the way.